Carb heat is off, prop is full forward, mixture is full rich. Electric fuel pump is on. Pump warning, well, we've got pump noise. Fuel pressure is in the green sector. Clear prop! Look.
Radios and navos on and tuned. GPS 175 flight plan enter. Okay, so flight plan is Conco and add waypoint is Echo Golf Bravo Juliet. Cool, and then we'll be ready. Well, actually, we'll
load it anyway.
Yeah, so we can do load procedure. So once we get to Conco, in fact, actually, what we'll do is procedure. No, I tell you what, once we get to Conco, we'll just activate the approach.
Or we just go direct, because you can probably go direct SOSAB then, can't
Yeah, it's probably easier to activate it, to be fair. So all you'll do is go flight plan, procedure, and then just do activate approach when we get to Conco.
Yeah.
And then that'll sequence us to SOSAB. Cool.
Kemble information, good afternoon, Golf India Alpha November Charlie, request radio check.
Golf India Alpha November Charlie, Kemble information, readability 5, pass your message.
Thank you, Golf India Alpha November Charlie to TB10 Woodside to POB, request airfield information, IFR to Gloucester.
Golf November Charlie, thank you, we're at 08 right hand, our QNH is 1024. If you taxi to the north, apron for your checks.
08 right hand, QNH 1024, taxi north apron for power checks, Golf India Alpha November Charlie.
Okay, so taxi light comes on, brakes released, clear all round, clear right. Brakes left. Parking brake is not used.
Kemble information, this is Golf Victor India, Northside apron and with checks are complete.
Oil temperature is now
Golf
in the
Victor India,
green.
taxi by holding
Oil
point
pressure
Delta 1, line
is
up
in
08.
the green. Fuel pressure is in the green. Mixture
Taxi
is
via Delta
full.
1 and line up 08, Golf Victor India.
Carb heat is off. Fuel selector coming across to the left tank. Prop is full forward. Throttle is going 2000 RPM, covering the brakes firmly. 2000 set. No oil seen.
Nope.
Max. Left. Drop. EGTs increase. Both covers. T increase. Drops. Map drops. Back to both. And carb heat. On. RPM drop. Map drop. Carb heat increases. Carb heat off, RPM recovers, carb heat decreases, map increases.
So should I let our lift know that we're...
Oh, I did say we're... Oh yeah, you can just tell him we're literally...
Victor India, lined at 08.
Victor India 08, take off your discretion, wind is northerly at 5.
Down a bit more, right? Yeah.
Yeah, so takeoff, electric fuel pump is coming on. Engine gauges are all in the green sectors. CO2 indicator, where's that gone? Oh, he's put it there, and no alarms. Altimeters set and cross-check. I've got 1024 for 20 feet. Yeah. PFD, MFD, GPS, messages, cautions, and bugs. Bugs, so we are going to 3,000 feet initially. And we are going to be on runway heading. Literally, we're just going to take straight to SOSAB, but anyway. Heading 080.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's just going to be the lineup checks, which is ATPL checks. Okay. Cool. Right. Ready to go.
Ready for departure. Golf November Charlie's North Apron checks complete, ready for departure.
November Charlie, taxi via hold point Delta 1, line up 08.
Taxi Delta 1, line up 08, Golf November Charlie.
Going to out, Peter Heat's coming on, all the lights are on.
I can't see anything on approach.
Kemble information, this is Golf Victor India. We've now left your zone to the south and requesting free call to Verizon 124.280.
Golf November Charlie lined up 08.
November Charlie, runway 08, take off your discretion, the wind is calm.
Taking off runway 28, Golf November Charlie.
100% power. Speeds are green, airspeeds are live, times 2. Safe height, safe speed, flaps coming up. Okay, 2,000, 3,000.
Golf November Charlie's left the 80Z to the south, request frequency change Gloucester approach 128.555.
November Charlie, thanks. You back today?
Negative maintenance, Golf November Charlie.
November Charlie, thanks. Free call Gloucester, good day.
And could you activate our procedure to SOSAB?
So procedure, activate approach.
Yeah, Alpha Romeo, Alpha Gloucester.
Okay,
Taxi holding point Charlie 1, cross
It
runway
is,
0.
yeah.
Taxi holding point Charlie 1, cross runway 04, Golf Sierra Alpha Romeo Alpha.
4, QNH 1024, QSE 1021. Increased bird activity within the aerodrome boundary. Large flocks of birds have been observed within the vicinity of the aerodrome. Upon first contact with Gloucester, feedback altimeter setting in use. Tower and approach frequencies are combined 128.555. Acknowledge receipt of information, Juliet. This is Gloucester information, Juliet.
Gloucester approach, Golf India Alpha November Charlie, 16 miles to the south, routing direct SOSAB. Information Juliet QNH 1024, request RMP approach 09 via SOSAB.
Golf India Alpha November Charlie, Gloucester approach, report your level.
Level 3,000 feet, QNH 1024, Golf India Alpha November Charlie.
Golf November Charlie, Squawk 4530, cleared, RMP approach runway 09 via SOSAB, report at SOSAB.
Squawk 4537 cleared, RMP approach 09 via SOSAB, Wilco, Golf India Alpha November Charlie.
Golf November Charlie, check Squawk 4530, what type of service required, base call procedure?
4530, request procedural service, Golf November Charlie.
Golf November Charlie, procedural service.
Procedural service, Golf November Charlie.
Flight unit, we have one traffic gas screen, thank you.
Come back Juliet, Winter, break, Golf November Charlie, traffic 6 miles southeast of third routing south-southeast bound is a Cirrus, maintaining altitude 3,000 feet, believe it has your TCAS.
Roger, Golf November Charlie.
Copy Kilo Final. Golf Echo Kilo runway 09, clear touch and
You
go.
zoom the map out a bit for me, Josh.
Just so you've got SOSAB in there.
Yeah, so we see where we're going.
I did have that traffic momentarily on Sky Echo and it was no factor, so.
Yeah.
Heat or cold? Okay, so next report is SOSAB, and we have to be above 3,000 feet, which is good. We are above 3,000.
Flaps up, the lights we've got set, pitot heat is on. murky in here today, Josh.
It is a bit.
I thought we might get on top.
I think if it was yesterday, we would have been on top of it, wouldn't
Yeah.
it? It's just because.
5 degrees OAT, so no ice.
Yeah, not seeing anything. There's a tad bit of fuel on the right wing, but
So after SOSAB, we're descending towards 2,500, aren't we?
correct, yeah, not below 2,500 feet.
Below 2,500. Okay, 3 miles to SOSAB. Like 013.
Golf Number Charlie, SOSAB.
Golf November Charlie, report the intermediate fixed.
Wilco, Golf November Charlie.
Golf Kilo downwind touch and go.
Golf Kilo, report final.
Wilco Golf Kilo.
Okay, now descend not below 2,500.
Not below 2,500. Copy on. Uh, 2 miles to the intermediate fix.
Okay, after the intermediate fix, it's descent down to 1,700. Target at the final approach fix.
Okay.
Golf November Charlie, intermediate fix.
Golf November Charlie, report the final approach fix. The fixing circuit is active.
Roger, Wilco, Golf November Charlie.
Nav plus V.
Golf Romeo Alpha 9 miles to your north with information Juliet, Chevy 1021, request direct drive.
4 miles.
Golf Romeo Alpha, join
Final
left base
approach
runway
fix.
09 and not below height 1,500 feet if able. Report 5 miles.
Join left base runway 09 and not below height 1,500 feet and report 5 miles to run. And height should be okay. We're just at level 1,400 at this time, but I can climb to 1,500.
Golf Romeo Alpha, Roger.
My path's alive. Half a mile, props going to 4.
Golf Romeo Alpha, coming 5 miles and height 1,600 feet.
Passing the final approach fix.
Golf November Charlie, final approach fix.
Golf November Charlie, runway 09 air clear to land, wind calm.
Clear to land runway 09, Golf November Charlie.
Wind calm. Okay, so Golf Charlie down.
3 miles was 1,080 feet.
Approach Skyflight 1 Tango Mike, request a basic service.
Skyflight 1 Tango Mike, Gloucester approach QNH1024, report your position and level. Skyflight 1 Tango Mike, roger, basic service.
Basic service, Skyflight 1 Tango Mike.
Gloucester, good morning, Mosquito 89 Whiskey, 4000 feet, QNH 1024 inbound, SOSAP for the RNP runway 09.
Take 9 Whiskey, cleared RMP approach runway 09, advise SOSAP, descend with the procedure, report passing
600
altitude
visual.
3000 feet and SOSAP.
Let's bring the speed back.
Engine clear to land.
RNP runway 09, descend with the procedure and call you back passing SOSAP,
right side
Mosquito 89 Whiskey.
Echo Kilo downwind touch and go.
Copy Kilo, number 3. Number 2 is
Obstacle, car piece
Cherokee
away.
doing left base runway 09 from the northwest.
To your
Two
northwest
right.
at this time, Golf Romeo Alpha, and height 1,600 feet.
Copy Kilo, make 1 right hand orbit for spacing. Cancelled, report final.
Roger, traffic copied and height restriction cancelled, report final, Golf Romeo Alpha.
Gloucester, Mosquito 89 Whiskey, we passed 3000 feet, descending 2500 feet inbound, Bravo Juliet 09 India.
Mosquito 89 Whiskey, roger, report established on the final approach track.
Very nice.
We report the established final approach track to Mosquito 89 Whiskey.
Golf from Charlie, vacate next right by Delta 1, cross runway 22, taxi to Sky Park.
Next right, Delta 1, cross runway 22, taxi Sky Park, Golf November Charlie.
Golf Charlie Delta,
so
cross runway
this is
09,
Delta 1 to the right here.
Departure north, clear for takeoff.
I think we're going to need a new shimmy damper.
Golf Sierra Hotel, Sun Helicopter arrival, heading
I was
north,
thinking the
runway
same
09
thing.
left hand, QFU 1021.
Sunset arrival to heading north, 09 left hand on 1021, Golf Sierra Hotel.
Pumps up, fuel pumps off.
Golf Papa Echo Tango Romeo is holding at Charlie 1, ready for departure.
Golf Romeo Alpha.
Mosquito 89 Whiskey, established on the final approach track 3.5 miles inbound, Bravo Juliet 09 Focus Road.
I don't know what their plan is and whether they're leaving her out. Maybe we just pull it into one of their places.
Thinking of
Pumps or parking, all pumps now available.
Vacate right Alpha to taxi park for time being, Golf Romeo Alpha, and copy the weather fuel.
Golf Kilo, continue approach 1 to vacate.
Continue approach Golf Kilo.
Got enough.
Yes,
landing
can go on
light
a quarter
is
mile
off,
final.
taxi light can go off now.
Continue
Nav
approach
lights
Mosquito
are
89.
Gloucester approach, Skyflight 3, Delta Bravo, 4,500 feet, descending